Hey, check it out. Atomic Motors right over here in Henderson, 704 Sunset. Let's check out the inventory. I think it's changed a little bit. Got an SL right up front here. Got a Volkswagen Doom buggy in the back. Got a couple bikes, whole Coke machines. Rock and roll Texas license plate on this caddy. Silver with a kind of made into a two-seater. Look at that. Silver bullet. How custom is that? I know we're looking from the outside, looking in. And of course the cars are going by here on Sunset. Look at that. That manifold setup. 3 1-barrels. How cool is that? This Cadillac's pretty nice, huh? Silver bullet. Big old bumpers on that. And that 67 Corvette. Looks like some Marina blue. The 427. Yeah. Man. How many of us would love to have that? Black interior. Oh boy. That's nice. Been a few weeks since we did a walkthrough here, and I believe without taking a look, the inventory has changed. A Corvette. MGB's been put back there, pending sale. A Corvette done up in yellow. There's an old car back there again with that Doom buggy. Let's see what else we got in here. Another Stingray. That's a 427 also. Side pipes, radial TAs, T-top. The police car back there, a 914. A couple Chevy C10 trucks back there. Corvette, looks to be a 61 or 62. Pending sale on that. Well, that's pretty nice. Oh yeah, Resto mod. Got ACA Cobra. T-Bird Cadillac, another big Cadillac back there, F-100 Ford, a distance. Oh yeah, see they are closed. MGB GT, British Racing Green, look at that. Girls put in, I think it's a 72. Can't see what year it is. A little bit of glare. The Grand Prix. And the Dodge Polara behind it. The Sunliner. That's nice white red guts. American Mags. Mustang, another Cadillac back there. Galaxy 500. Check that out. Got a Chevy. Oh, got a Rolls or a Bentley there. Corvette. Yeah, it looks like a 53 or 54 Chevy, the custom front end. It's a hardtop, no post. A Corvette Triumph TR7. So you got a C10 cab right here, a 61 or 2 Vet back there on the lift. Let's see. gonna have red guts on it. It's pretty nice. Look at this, huh? Period correct hot rod. Ford dually truck, a F-350. Packard, 39 Packard Cabriolet. They're closed. I wonder if the guys come in and work on these. They'll be closed to the public. Yeah, we got a Harley Corvette, T-Bird up on a rack, another Corvette in front of this dually. We got a Volkswagen back there. Street rod up on top. Bit of motorcycle restoration portion. That big tire. Man, that looks awful mean, huh? Ooh. Yeah, let's see what else we got. Turbo diesel. I did so many back in the day when I had my detail shop. I liked these things back then. And it's like Javelin up on a rack. And then Jaguar. 5.7 Chevy Bel Air Nomad. The Cadillac Eldorado Ritz underneath it. Last time I almost took a header. I didn't see this drop off. Looks like a 53 or 4 Chevy delivery. More room for more work. Looks like they've expanded or they're remodeling. Yeah, I think they are. And they're taking on some extra space. Or a 55 Chevy cab. Dano Live, Atomic Motors.